In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock chat in Roblox. Now, if you notice that your chat is locked on Roblox, start by joining any game. Or in the homepage as well, you're going to get this kind of pop-up, unlock chat. You'll need to click on that. While you are in the game, when you try to access the chat, you'll get this kind of pop-up, unlock chat. You'll need to click on that. This will redirect you to a page where you'll need to verify your age. You can do this using a camera. No ID is necessary. Click continue and allow Roblox to use your camera if you are on a PC. Follow the on-screen instructions by centering your face in the circle and turning your head left and right. In case you are unable to use camera in your PC, you can continue on another device. All you have to do is scan the QR code and complete the verification process. Once completed, Roblox will estimate your age. If it shows 21 or older, simply press OK. After that, your chat will be fully unlocked and you can start typing and communicating in Roblox games. And that's it. This way you can easily unlock chat in Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.